Tilly, a small, timid turtle who wears a pink bow on her head. She loves to watch others, but is afraid to speak up. Rico, a confident rabbit who loves organizing games and contests. Luna, a friendly owl who encourages Tilly from afar. Tilly lives on Turtle Beach, where all the animals play games together. She loves to watch, but always hides in her shell when asked to join. One day, Rico organizes a sandcastle building contest. The others can't agree on a design, but Tilly has an idea. At first, she whispers to Luna, who tells Rico. But when Rico says, "Let's hear it from Tilly herself," she nervously comes out and shares her vision. A turtle-shaped castle. Everyone loves it. They work together, and Tilly leads the design. Her shell isn't her hiding place anymore. It's a sign of her creativity. Tilly peeking out of her shell as others play in the background. Animals gathered, trying to decide on a sandcastle design. Luna, the owl, talking to Tilly gently under a palm tree. Tilly sketching the turtle-shaped castle in the sand. All animals around a giant turtle-shaped sandcastle, cheering.